Like, I'm not a big watch guy. I have my Apple Watch mostly, but this one's for Connecticut Trial Firm because our logo, the oak leaf, this watch is made with oak. So there you go. You know how we got that logo? When we didn't have very much business at all, we would go up to Treehouse in Muncie and like go wait in line for beers, and our wives would get mad at us because we weren't doing work, and we're even like 12 beers was like felt like $100 at the time. It was very expensive.
We worked so much that we needed more time off back then, so we would go to Treehouse Brewing Company after work hours, of course.
And Andrew really liked that art on the beer cans, which is what you see in his office, like all these beer can labels.
And we tracked down the artist, Dean McKeever, and then messaged him, and we were like, hey, you want to do a company logo? And he was like, yeah, whatever. And he drew up some models, and we liked it, and here we are.
And so we said, you know what would be cool if we called the beer can artist, figure out who the beer can artist is, and called them and said, like, hey, we want you to do our logo. And we said, Dean, just draw something Connecticut. And he drew an oak leaf, and then that became our logo. The whole story here is that, right, from our story as a business is from the tiny acorn comes the mighty oak.